Hello and welcome to Optical CRM Software. It's a number one optical retail software which can help you to manage your purchases, inventories, sales, customers, reports, expenses, prescriptions, accounts, everything. It will not just help you to manage your business, but it will help you to grow your business because we have a lot of features that can help you to promote your business and maintain a good relationship with your customers. So let's quickly look into the software. As you can see on my screen, I have logged in as admin in one of the branch of this is my customer ID. When you purchase our software, you will be given a unique customer ID and we will create your admin username and password. So this is a complete online cloud-based system. You can access it from anywhere, from any computer, any tablet, any laptop. You just need an internet connection and you just need a username password to log into your system. If I click on this, it'll take me to a dashboard. So I can see here the quick overview of the business, like how many pending orders I have, how many barcodes printing I need to do, what is my today's collection, what is my today's eye testing, what is the average sales, what's the profit and loss I'm running for today, for this month. So here you can get a quick overview about your business and all your pending activities. Here you can select the branch. If you have multiple stores, you can use our software for multiple branches as well. However, you need to buy a license for each store separately. So all these branches will be connected to your same customer ID. That's how you will be able to see the data in the same account. Here we have given our customer care details, so you can connect with our customer care and for technical support, for training, for anything you need. We are always available for you. Here we have given you some of the shortcuts that you can use on a regular basis. And now we'll go quickly over the menu. So on the top we have a menu where you can see your different menus like master, products, inventory, purchase, sales, customers, reports, SMS, expenses, prescriptions, accounts, and more. In master is a menu where you can do a lot of settings to make the software customize and to make the software work as you want. For an example, if you go here for an admin setting, we have given you so many settings which will allow you to decide what all features or what all modules or what all fields you require in your software and which you don't need, you can disable them. So for a quick example, like customer data, if you're not going to collect the date of birth, you can remove this date of birth field. If you don't want to collect, let's say their category, you don't want to maintain customer categories, then you can remove this. Similarly, you can remove whatever you don't need for your shop, because every business is a unique and every shop, every store is managing their data as per their requirements. So our software is already being used by more than 4,000 customers worldwide, and it has a lot of customized features which will allow you to modify and customize the software as you want. So here we are given a lot of settings. Similarly, you have settings for your branch where you can decide how you want your PDF invoice to be generated, advance receipt to be generated. As you can see here on my screen, you can generate the invoice like this in an A5 format, A4 format, or you can generate on a thermal receipt like 79 or 110 like as you can see here. Every detail will be printed. It will be very beautiful looking with all the information that customer want, whether it is your discount coupons, whether it is loyalty points, loyalty programs, you want to put some logos, some brand logos on your receipt. Everything is possible in Optical CRM software, and it is a very user friendly and it has many features that will definitely help your business to grow faster. So here you can do customization, your payment options, how you want to collect the payment from customers, and many more feature settings we have given in here. So this will allow you to set different settings for each branch. So each store you can have a different setting from branch setting menu. Similarly, you can do the discount settings, like how you want to apply discounts to the products. Like we want to apply on a manual basis, you want to apply on a fixed percentage basis, you want to apply on a brand. Like here I have given a Ray-Ban, so Ray-Ban is getting 40% discount. So you can add a brand wise discount. You can do a lot of discount settings for each branch here. So you can plan your discounts. It will be very easy for your staff to make the billing because all your discounts are already predefined in the system. However, it is not compulsory. If you don't want to set your discounts, you can leave it. It's not mandatory. Similarly, you can do barcode settings. So we have given so many parameters and with so many filters, so you can easily set barcode. Our system is capable of printing any size of barcode, any shape of barcode. It could be in multi-column, multi-row format, any size. I'll just show you some samples. Like here, you can print like this with the name, with the barcode, with the code, or you can print along with your logo. This is a very unique feature. We allow you to print your logo on the barcode. So you can design your own barcode. You can set the parameters however you want, and you can print any type of barcode here. Even if you want to print your glass parameters like your power sphericals and all, you can print on barcodes. So we allow you to print everything and anything on the barcode. Similarly, we have given various SMS settings, so you can decide what SMS should customer get and what should be the matter, what should be the content. We have given a lot of variables, so you can put the variables in your SMS content, and you can customize your own SMS. You can decide which SMS you want to send and which SMS you don't want to send. So this also allows you to improve the branding for your customer. When they get SMS, you can decide what information they want to see. Then we have similarly email settings. We don't charge anything for emails. It's absolutely free. So you can choose which email you want to send to customer, like advance receipt or invoice or prescription. The moment the eye testing is done, they will get a prescription in the email along with the PDF, right? So they can maintain it for a future records. So here you can customize your emails, how you want to set the emails. And if you are having already a data in Excel, or you have a data which is your past, your historical data, you can upload the data using this feature, import data. So it will allow you to import your inventory, your customer data, prescription data for any branch. There's a prescribed format given here. You can just download the format and you can upload it. So it'll help you to import the data. So when you buy our system, you can easily import your existing data in our system and start working from Optical CRM software very easily. Then you have prescription card settings. If you want to generate prescription cards and you want to print and give the cards to your customers, like example I show you here one. If you want to generate any prescription card like this, so you can decide the format, how you want to generate your prescription card, what information you want to print there. All the settings you can do from your master prescription settings. We have another feature for my account. You can recharge, you can buy SMS credits, you can add more branches, you can do many activity from my account panel. So here, this is how your my account panel opens. So you can open the my account panel from your master login. So master is the menu where you can do a lot of settings for your software, Optical CRM, to make it more comfortable for your business according to your choice. And you can also create users, that's your staffs. We don't charge anything for users, it's absolutely free. You can create unlimited users, you can give them the permissions, you can decide this particular user what menus you want to give them the access, right? So you can create users, like example, a salesperson, he want only sales access, so you can create a user and you can only give him the sales access. Whereas you have another user who is also doing a purchases, so you can give him access for purchase as well as for sales. So like this you can decide the username, what user you're creating, and what all permissions you want to give him. And these users are absolutely free, okay? So you're not paying anything for users, there's no charge per user. Optical CRM software pricing is very simple. You pay only one cost, that is the cost for your 1 year subscription, 1 year software charges for one branch. Okay, there's no additional charge for your data, for your cloud server, for your users, for any settings, for any barcode printing. There's no additional cost for anything in the software. Okay, so this is how you can do a lot of settings in the master. Now once the settings are done, and this is a one-time job, so you may not need to do settings and change again and again. However, our staff, our support staff is always available to help you. They will help you with any settings you don't understand, you want help, you want to understand what setting is better for you. You can always contact our staff, our support staff, and that's your account manager who will be the contact person, and they will help you with the settings. Now once the settings is done, let's go into other menus like product. Products are nothing but your SKUs. So as soon as you start purchasing products or import your products, you will start seeing the SKUs with the product code, the description, purchase price, retail price, discount. So there are many options here. Here you can see all your product SKUs getting built here, and whenever you do purchase or sales, you can use the same product code to get the data filled automatically. You can also create your product SKUs manually, like creating add new frame. You can create a new product code or new SKU for your frame product. Okay, so this is the database of all your SKUs for frames, goggles, contact lens solutions, and other products. Once once you add a purchase or you import your data, you will see them in inventory. This is the stock, the quantity, the amount of stock that you have. It shows here on the top. We have so many filters, so you can even filter like I want to see frame, and I want to see the frame from Ray-Ban. So I'll just type few letters. It will give me the name of all the companies starting with that later, and I'm going to say Ray-Ban. I want to know the frames that I have with Ray-Ban. So it says I don't have anything. Okay, but if I just select the full Ray-Ban and search, I may get yes. So I got the frame. So I have, these are the product codes. This is the complete detail of the product, and I have 50 quantity of this product. So like this I can search inventory for any branch, and I can easily update or edit. Like if the stock is not matching, I want to remove some stock, I can delete it because the stock is damaged, or for any purpose I can do it. I can purchase more stock, and sometimes if the stock is minus, that means I have made a sale but I still need to purchase that product from my supplier. So I can directly add a purchase from here, right? So that all options we have given in inventory level. You can transfer stock easily from one shop to another, one store to another store. You can transfer the stock. You can audit your stock. This is a very unique feature we have given in the software. So on a regular basis, on a monthly or 2 months or 3 months, if you feel that you want to audit your stock and you want to find out if there is any difference, because usually it is noticed that stock is stolen by some customers, or it has been misplaced by the staff, or maybe some staff is mischief and they have stolen the stock. So there is a possibility over a period of time the stock is not matching. The stock which is showing in the software and the stock that you physically have in a store may not be the same. So it is recommended that you do audit of your stock monthly once using this feature, so you can find out all the differences that is there in physical stock and the stock that is showing in the software. Then we have a purchase menu. Here you can add your purchases. You can select the supplier, and you can purchase the products, and you can set the tax, how you want to tax, if there is any tax part, how you have received the tax, including, excluding. We have a separate additional tax like education cess, especially for India. There are some states you need to collect some additional tax. So for that you can decide if there's additional tax. You can purchase product with all the parameters here, and it's not mandatory. Again, as I said, this is a customizable. So if you are not following like quality, or if you're not following type, you don't need color, or you don't need material, then you can disable these parameters from your admin setting for your master setting. When you add a purchase, our system will automatically generate the barcodes. If you have selected barcode option as yes here, you can decide whether you want unique barcode, you want common barcode. There are so many options. You can decide your retail price, your discounted price. So this will help you to print on a barcode. If you want to print like MRP and then you save, and you want to show the customer how much amount they will save, you can use this 2 different sales price feature we have given here. So there are so many options in purchase time. Similar, the same options you're getting during the import inventory as well. And then once you add your purchase, you can see all of the purchases from your purchase history. And there is a purchase return option. If you want to return some products to your supplier because it's damaged, or it's wrongly ordered, or anything, you can do a purchase return. So automatically inventory will be adjusted, barcodes will be removed from your system. So the system will take care it automatically. Then you have a pending barcode. So here you can see all your barcodes which is there, and if you want to print, it's very simple. Just click and print. That's it. So system will generate and give you all the barcodes based on the barcode settings that you have done. Once you print your barcodes, you have another list called confirm barcode. So you can move these barcodes to confirm barcode list. So that's how you can track how many pending barcodes are there for printing. Okay, and in future if you edit any barcode, like you're changing the price, you're changing barcode number, or you're updating the tray number, or you want to change any discounting price, then it will automatically go into your edited barcode list. So that's how you can reprint those edited barcodes. So in our system you can print and reprint barcodes n number of times, and you can use this barcode menus to print your barcode. And we have another unique feature for your glass grid view purchase. So here you can purchase your lens, your glasses, and you can purchase with the power wise your spherical and cylinder, and you can just put the quantity, the number of quantity you are buying. So that's how you can purchase more quantity of lens and glass easily in our system. Okay, then we have additional discount and other cost. So when you're buying a product, you might be getting some discounts from your supplier, or you might have some additional costs like packaging or transport cost. So you can add those costs from here, so the system can take care of it in accounts as well as in your profit and loss. Once you have your products, once you make a purchase, your inventory is there, you can go ahead with the sales. You can create new order and you can generate the sales. You can collect the complete data of the customer. You can use a referral code. The order number is automatically generated based on the branch that you select, and if you don't want branch selection, you can also disable that from your master setting. You can collect the customer information. You can decide how you want to bill, with the tax, without tax, including, excluding, what kind of tax you want to bill, and these all settings are there in your branch setting, in your master settings. So you can decide what settings you want to apply. And you can use barcode. If you don't know barcode, or you're not following barcode, you can manually select the product and you can just type few letters, or you can just put a space. It'll give you all the available products. It'll fill in all the details for you. You don't need to do anything. You just need to add. That's it. Okay, so system is very user friendly. In any field, any particular field, if you type anything, like example I'm typing here purple, so it will give me the options there itself. Okay, so it will avoid a lot of clerical mistakes, and you will not be typing the same thing again and again. So it's very easy and it's very fast for you. So similarly, if I'm going for, let's say, selling a lens, this is the power details. I can just type say -0. It'll give me all the options of -0. Okay, so it's very easy and it will be accurate. So this is how I can do the sales. I can apply loyalty points. I can redeem loyalty points. I can apply discount coupons. And if I want to keep some credit with the customer, I can allow the customer to keep some amount credit. I can decide what are the payment options I want to use. I can apply additional discount based on OTP. We have a unique system for OTP discounts, so you can apply additional discounts if you want. You can generate direct invoice, or you can generate an advance receipt. So these are options you have. And the most important thing in our system is we do not force you to do anything compulsory in our system. So like you want to do sales and you don't have products, you can still go ahead with the sales, because all the stock will go into minus. So it's not compulsory that if you have a purchase or if you have a stock, then only you'll be able to do the bill. Everything is independent, and if you feel that I don't want to maintain inventory, I just want to maintain my purchases and sales, you can just follow these two modules. You can ignore inventory module completely. There's no problem in the system. And if you feel that I don't want to add purchases because I don't want to show anyone from where I'm purchasing, what is my price and all, you can just go ahead with the sales. You can directly only create the sales, and you can just manage your customer data and your sales data. So the system is very user friendly. Once you punch in the order, you have all the pending orders. Here you can see a lot of actions. You can confirm order, you can edit order, you can see the amounts how you got, you can redeem the loyalty points, you can put it in the pending courier list. So there are so many options here. In the sales menu, you can see sales history, sales return. If your customer is returning any product, you can do sales return. You have pending couriers, the products that you need to courier to your customer, because if they are not coming back to your shop and if they have informed you to courier the product to their address, you can put it in a pending courier. And there's also a unique feature of daily statement PDF. So this statements is very user friendly, and it's very helpful for your sales staff. They can generate the daily statement, which will help them to understand how much cash or how much amount they need to give it. So as you can see here, cash bank, what is the new order, how much amount they collected, if they've done any expenses, if see expenses, they have put some vouchers. So what all activity they have done in a branch, it'll give you a complete synopsis in one PDF, which is easy to print as well. So we have kept it in sales menu because it's required for your sales staff at the end. If you are not going to store and if you want to collect the amount from them, you can know exactly how much amount you need to collect from them. Then you have a customer module, and very important module in our system, because the software, our name itself is Optical CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and we believe that customer is the most important aspect of the business, because without customer there is no business. So here you can add your customers if you want. Otherwise, when you're doing the sales, the customers are automatically created, so you don't need to come and add them manually. You can get the customer list here. You can see all the customer. You can search the customer with mobile name, and you can put some customers in D&D if you want. If they don't want to receive any messages, you can put them in D&D. You can take their mobile number and add them to a D&D list. You can create your own customer categories, like if you want to create premium customers, you want to create referral customers, you want to create some categories. You can create unlimited categories, and you can map the customers to respective categories when you're creating or when you're doing a sales. Then you can print your customer labels, like these are the address, so you can print your customer labels, and if you wish to courier them, you want to send something to them, you can print the labels very easily from our system. Then you have birthday lists and anniversary lists. So system will give you a separate list of birthdays and anniversaries, so you can wish your customers, you can call them. However, system is capable of sending them SMS, the text message, automatically morning 10 o'clock on their birthday. The system will automatically send, but still after sending an SMS, if you wish to call them, it will be easy for you. With this list, you can call the customers and wish them on birthdays, anniversaries. We have a discount coupon module, so you can see all the discount coupons that is generated in your system. You can auto generate coupons, you can manually create coupons. There are so many options. You can export these coupons for printing purpose. Auto generate will help you to generate the coupon as soon as a bill is entered. As soon as a sale is done, the customer will automatically get a coupon based on your settings. We have given so many parameters here. You can decide how you want to use your discount coupon module. Similarly, we have a referral program, so you can create your own referral program, like which is the referral code and the SMS template for referral, whether you want to allow customer to refer, and all you can manage here. And for all the referrals, payments will be a separate list here for referral payment, so you can make the payments to your referral based on the sales. Then we have a loyalty program, so if you want to reward your customers for every sale and for every product with some loyalty points, you can manage the loyalty point program here. You can manually generate loyalty point, you can add loyalty point automatically while during the sales. After sales also you can add or remove loyalty points manually from here. You can see how much loyalty points they received till date, how much they have used. According to our understanding, using discount coupon, referral program, loyalty program, these things will help your business to grow very fast. Customers will be satisfied by giving a discount coupon or by giving some loyalty points. We are making sure that they will come back to your shop, they'll come back to your store in future for purchasing their product. We are in short booking our future business, and that's how we can grow the business faster. Then we have report module. This is another important feature, and here also we are very unique than other companies, because if you have seen many other softwares, you have used any software you see in the market, they lock your data. They don't allow you to download the data at a time. They don't allow, example, a customer data. You can see most of the softwares, you can search for customer information, but there's no option to download. But if you see our software, we give you an option to export the complete data in Excel format. So all your data in the system, whether it is products, whether your sales, purchases, anything in our system, we do not lock your data. All your data can be downloaded in Excel, and you're free to use them however you want. You want to put it in any other software, you want to use it in some other ERP systems, whatever is your choice, you can download the data without any restriction in our software, because we believe in a quality service to customer, and we don't want to lock your data, and we don't want to force you to use our system. We believe that our system is very user friendly, it's very easy to use, and it will help you a lot in your business. So 101% you are going to use our system, not by force, by choice. So as I was saying here, if you go to any report like a sales report or a purchase report, we have made a unique feature which will give you a complete summary on the top of the list. So you don't need to download Excel and do a manual calculation, manual totaling up the rows and then finding out. Here you can get a complete summary, like what is the sales, how much discounts you have given, how much additional tax you collected, what was your total sales, net sales, gross sales. So you can find out. Similarly, you want to check inventory, you don't need to download Excel and total. And if you're traveling, if you're not on a laptop or a computer, it will be difficult for you to download Excel and total. So here, if you just put one button, you can find out how many frames you have, what is the total value of purchase, what is the total sales value. So as a business owner, if you're traveling and you want some data on fingertips, you want some information immediately, this is the system which will help you to get that information immediately on your screen. So you have all the different reports here: payment, expenses, your pending orders, your customer due reports, stock report. So you can download anything and everything from the system using the reports module. Then we have a SMS feature. This is the text message feature. Again, it's a feature which will help you to get connected with your customers. So system automatically sends SMS for their orders, for their birthdays, anniversaries, for reminders, for picking up the product. All that we have given in SMS settings. You can enable those settings and you can send messages, text messages to your customers automatically. Here you can see what all messages are sent to your customer, which mobile number, what message was sent, and what was the content. So the system is fully transparent. You can find out exact message that was sent to customer and what date and time it was sent. Similarly, you can buy SMS credits from us. Our SMS are very low cost. You can buy the credits in number of credits you want. Like there's no fixed rule. You can buy 10 credits, 100, 1,000, 2,000 credits. That credits will be added to your account. You can see here what all SMS credits you have purchased and how much credits you have balance. Then there's a unique feature of feedback SMS. Again, as I said, we need to interact with customers. We need to find out whether they're happy with our products, whether what they think about our services, because depending on their opinion, we can improve our services. If they are not happy, we can see why they are not happy and we can work towards it, and we can make sure that for the next time when they come back or when the new customers are coming in, we give them better service or we try to improve on our quality. So here you can send feedback SMS and you can collect feedback from all your customers. There is another option for sending order ready SMS in bulk. So once the orders are ready and you just want to remind the customers to come and collect the products, you can use this feature. Then we have an expense module. Here you can record all the expenses for your shop, like your tea expenses, coffee, snacks, light bill, your electricity bill, your repairing, any AC repairing, maintenance, any kind of expenses. You can record all your expenses here. You can track over a period of time where your money is going, and if your business is not making enough profit, you can figure out what expenses you can cut down. This will help you a lot to find out where your money is going in the business. Then you have prescription. Here, if the customer is coming for eye testing only, then you can create a record with the eye testing, wherein the customer will also be created at the same time. The eye testing, the prescription also will be stored in the system. If you're doing a sales and you're directly adding a data here, then that's automatically creating a prescription in the prescription database. So as I said earlier, the system is very user friendly. What all you need to do is just add purchase, create sales. That's it. Because when you purchase, your inventory and your products are getting created. When you create sales, your customer is getting created, they are getting SMS, your prescription is getting created. So you don't need to do anything manually. What you do is just add purchases and create sales. That's it. You can see a prescription database here. You can search with mobile number, patient name, doctor name. You can search, you can print the prescription if you want. You have a good prescription format. And we have another unique thing here. In your advance receipt or invoice, you can directly print the prescription along with the products for the customer. So you don't need to waste more paper. You don't need to print two separate things. Your product, your advance receipt along with the prescription is given to customer. Similarly, if you are using the thermal receipt format, here also on the invoice you can print the complete prescription. So everything is printed in one single go. So you don't need to do two separate things, click here, go there, print prescription separately, print receipt separately. So that's not required. So our system is capable of doing that, and you can generate prescription cards like this. You can design your prescription cards how you want, what information you want to print there. And one side you can print this, on the other side you can have a digitally color printed cards ready with you. So it will create an image and a brand name for your shop. Then we have an accounts module. As I said in the beginning of my video, accounts module, there's very less that you need to do in accounts because it's taken care automatically. And here you can see all your ledgers that are created by system, all your vouchers that are generated by the system, different types of vouchers, sales voucher, receipt voucher, your payment voucher. And if you want to generate any voucher manually, like you want to add some contra voucher or you want to pass any payment voucher, you can do it manually as well. So if you have an accounting knowledge and if you want to pass the vouchers, you can create vouchers from here in the vouchers module. System will also give you accounts payable and receivable. So it will tell you the payables, like the parties or the suppliers that you need to pay and how much amount you need to pay them. That's a balance. And receivables will show you how much amount you're supposed to receive from the customers, from the name of the customer, that's a ledger name, and how much amount you're supposed to receive from them. And here you get the complete trading profit and loss balance sheet. So you can generate for the current financial year or for a particular month or a particular period. So it will give you a complete financial statement like your profit and loss, your trading account. So it will tell you the gross profit, your gross profit and your net profit of the business. So it will consider everything, your discounts, your repairs, your expenses, your sales return, purchase return, everything. It's a complete accounting software. It's a complete billing software. It's complete promotional software for your business to promote your business. It is complete software to manage your customer data. It's a complete software for barcode printing. This software is the only software which will help you to manage anything and everything for your optical store. You don't need any other system. You don't need Excel sheet. You don't need a barcode printing software. You don't need separate software for accounting. You don't need separate software for sending SMS. Everything is taken care in one single system. So if you need any other information, we are always available. You can contact the salesperson, or you can contact your account manager, or you can visit our website, that is www.opticalcrm.com, or you can send an email to info@opticalcrm.com. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks and have a nice day.